Or RAD-X by Kwadbox, and I know some of you are wanting to know the weight on it, and some of the measurements. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get it together. It comes in that plastic bag here, and then we get this nice little pretty card here. Alright, and so we've got the bottom plate here. Just kind of put that to the side here. And then we get some little TPU mounts here for your camera. Looks like we get 6 standoffs here. Alright, 6 standoffs here. Looks like all the same size screws here. Let's get a measurement of these screws really quick. Alright, so we're looking at 9mm screws, not quite, right at 10mm screws here. Looks like they're all the same size here. Yeah, so we get, let's see here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 screws here. So basically one extra one. This is your top plate here. Get some measurements on this really quick here. Zeroed out. Alright, so we got a top plate of 2mm. Alright, and we've got the bottom plate here. Go ahead and check it here. Looks like we've got a 4.1mm here in the center. 4.1. Well, that one's about 4.3. Alright, 4.2. So looks like it's going to take your 30 by 30 and your 20 by 20 stacks. It's a little flexy. It's about right. Let's see what our wheelbase is here. From motor to motor. Looking at a 221 right there. And of course it looks like it goes together pretty simple here. So we can get a weight here on it. Let's get what the standoffs are here. Looks like we got 30mm standoffs. Let's get a measurement between these standoffs here, because it looks like you may not be able to. You may have to put a micro camera in here. Looks like you've got 17.4mm apart here on the camera standoffs up here. Try to get these straight here. Looks like, let's see, 17mm for the camera, or you may be able to bring it around, turn the 3D printed parts around here. See if we can get a little bit more room for a camera there, but I think you're going to have a micro camera here. So with the 3D mounts turned around, about 21mm. This is this top plate on. And this frame does not have any chamfered edges or anything on it. I mean, it does seem like it was cut pretty well, but it has no rounded off edges. It looks like, I guess, if you got your stack high enough, you may be able to do some a bottom mount battery, but I think this frame was meant for a top mount. Kind of excited to see how much it weighs, because that's going to be the deciding factor if I'm able to build it out. But since I can't get a full camera in here, I may not build it out. But all right, here's the chance here. Here's the weight. All right, zero it out, and I'm gonna guess. I'm gonna take a guess at 100 grams. Yeah, I'd say 100 grams, maybe 110. Let's go with 105. We'll split it. All right, here we go. 112. All right, great. Well, thank you very much for watching.
Make the ground shake.